Most people think decentralized infrastructure requires technical wizardry. Today I am showing you the exact unedited setup process for the NodeLink NX1 to prove it is as simple as plugging in a router. Centralized cloud providers are often inefficient because they concentrate resources and create single points of failure. At home, infrastructure offers superior resilience by distributing resources across many independent nodes. First, unbox the NodeLink NX1 and place it near your modem and router. Next, connect the Ethernet cable from the modem to the WAN port on the NodeLink NX1 and plug in power. Power on the device and wait for the LED to show a steady connection status. Open the NodeLink dashboard in your browser to begin integration with your account. When you log in, you are not just authenticating, but establishing your node as a secure verification point on the network. Follow the on-screen prompts to assign a name to the node, set basic network preferences, and confirm security keys. Once the setup completes, the dashboard will show your node as active and contributing to the global backbone. If you are ready to secure your unit, the link is in the description so you can get started today. We go beyond building hardware, and we are building a future where the infrastructure of the world is powered by the people who use it most.